this is Lolo Jimmy 549 on the back of the truck. So let's get started. First, you put your wheels on, both. Stuck the piece again. Be right back. And you just put the wheel on. Let you get it. I got it. So got it. So put my wheels on, like on the last one, but you know now. And I put your wheel cases on, like this. Now you put your wheels on the back. Then you turn it over. Then you turn it over. Put this book on. Then you put it like this. Like watermelon. Then this one, put it by the bowl. Keep it. So now you get 2 of these pieces. Put in your bottom. I got one. Okay. So then you put it like that. So you have the bottom. Then get your piece. Then you put it on that one. Then you got this one. And put it on that one. This. Then you get this one light. And this. Oh, there you go. Now you get your that piece and put it on your back. Both. Okay, so I got mine. And part 2 would no, I'm just gonna get this finished here.
It's on your bag.
Okay, so yep. Then I'm gonna put. Then you get something like that. Put a 4 piece in. Then you put some books to make it all the way up there.
Yeah.
So like that. Then part 2 would be doing the walls to it. And part 3 done to the walls. So back, subscribe.